I hope you missed me. So if you don't know me, hi, my name is Koil, and today I'm gonna share the reviews of the internet sensational products that everybody just keeps buzzing around कि ये ले लो, ये ले लो, और ये ले लो. But trust me, मुझे किसी ने भी एक पैसा नहीं दिया to speak the truths, and this is gonna be a real and raw video. I'm not gonna cover up the flaws or exaggerate the goodness of the products. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Starting with the most popular moisturizer that everyone keeps telling कि यही है ड्राई स्किन के लिए, that is the Dot and Key's Barrier Repair Intense Moisturizer. मैंने पहले भी उनका नॉर्मल बैरियर रिपेयर मॉइस्चराइजर किया है, एज आई एम अ नॉर्मल टू ड्राई स्किन गर्ली, एंड आई लाइक इट. बट दिस वन इज कॉल्ड द इंटेंस. सो द थिंग इज कि इसका टेक्सचर थोड़ा थिक है, थोड़ा heavy है as compared to the previous one. So if you are a dry skin person or normal to dry just like me, मैं इसे यूज़ करती हूँ at night और आफ्टर शावर्स, जब मुझे किधर जाना नहीं होता. बिकॉज अगर मैं ऐसे नॉर्मल वेदर में यूज़ करती हूँ, आई हैव ट्राइड इट वंस, माई स्किन जस्ट बर्न्स. ये इतना मॉइस्चराइज कर देता है, विच is not at all suitable if you have oily skin or combination. But normal to dry skin people and very dry, this is just the product for you. Affordable hai and it's great. It's really great. Moving on to my next product, I have this face serum from Dot and Key. ये उनका 10% niacinamide serum है. So niacinamide is for reducing dark spots, acne marks, post acne marks ऐसा. So if you're a beginner and you want to start with serums like of niacinamide, I think this product is really good for you. But if you're experienced one जो बहुत सारे यूज़ कर चुके हैं and your skin doesn't really quickly recovers, I don't think this will just work, because इसको work करने में थोड़ा time लगता है. So if you're a beginner and slowly recover करना है, this product is really good. इसका texture lightweight है and absorbs quickly and all skin types को suit करेगा. So it's good. So you can definitely go for it. Moving on to the next category, it's सबका favorite, that is sunscreen. ठंडी हो तो क्या sunscreen लगाना चाहिए. So I have the Garnier's
sunscreen. It's a super UV 50 plus SPF sunscreen.
Invisible Serum Sunscreen. I think this is the biggest lie of Garnier, because ये invisible बिल्कुल भी नहीं है and it smells so bad. It's just smells like glue. मतलब फेविकॉल के जैसा लगता है, and that is so disappointing. And थोड़ा ना चिपचिपा भी रहता है, and I don't know why I have seen people promoting this, but I don't think it's good at all. I have used so many Garnier ka products pehle bhi. I like them, not very lovable products, but I have liked them. But this one is just absolute disappointment. But I don't know, people do keep recommending it, but it's not good at all. Moving on to the next product, it's also sunscreen. It's from Beauty of Joseon. It's your Aqua Fresh sunscreen. This ये वाला सनस्क्रीन ना, मतलब अब अगर लगाओगे, दिस गिव सच अ रिलीफ. लाइक ऐसा लगता है, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है, बिकॉज व्हेन इन समर इट गिव्स सच अ रिलीफेबल calming sensation on your skin, and even in winters. And I think it's such a great product, and it is expensive, it is costly, but I think for all the right reasons, and it's also, I guess, suitable for all skin types. Like, it's really good. So if you have a budget and you want to try it, you can just definitely go for it. On to my next product, I have this lip product, and it is also from Dot and Key. It's their Melty Lip Balm. Trust me when I say this one is viral and it's buzzing all over the internet for all its right reasons. Because firstly, इसका मॉइस्चर बहुत देर तक स्टे करता है, ओवर एन आवर. आई डोंट हैव टू रीअप्लाई. इसका टिंट अच्छा है, it blends so well, blends so smoothly on your lips, on your cheeks. As a blush you can use, and like, it's so affordable. Like, Dot and Key, just hats off to you. Okay, now moving on to my next favorite category, that is makeup. I don't have a lot of things to show, but I have tried some of them, and let's see them. Starting with the highlighter, internet's favorite highlighter. I know I am trying this way too late. ये शायद ट्रेंड में भी नहीं है, बट आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिएटर्स टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस इन देयर डे टू डे लाइफ, एंड it's the Mars Glow Fly Liquid Highlighter, and I have the shade here Winged Gold. So I have tried a lot of Mars के products, and this one is also a banger because इसमें कोई chunky glitter particles नहीं है. It blends nicely over makeup या ऐसे भी, but the thing is your skin has to be moisturized. If it is really dry, ये थोड़ा क्रैकी लगता है. लाइक आई हैव ट्राइड इट इन हैंड विदाउट एनी मॉइस्चर ऑन इट, एंड इट डजंट लुक गुड, लाइक ब्लेंड नहीं होता ज़्यादा. बट आफ्टर मॉइस्चराइजिंग इट, दिस ब्लेंड सो ब्यूटिफुली. Functions to attain and you want a glow that's subtle and smooth, this product is for you. It's affordable and it's way too good. Trust me, Indian market mein you can't find really good affordable liquid highlighters, but Mars has been a total game changer. So I think this is really worth it. Moving on to my next product, it is of course a lip product, and these are newly launched Swiss Beauty K Moist Heist tinted lip gloss and Moist Heist lip oil. So my honest review would be, I really like these. These are just for 200, but the thing is with tinted ones, इनका tint very sure है. Like it doesn't really give a color, like if you have deeper or like pigmented lips. But if you have like normal and very pink kind of a lips, it will might show. But I think for the price it is, I think it's good. But the very good point is इसका moisture बहुत देर तक रहता है, बहुत देर तक, 2-3 घंटा आराम से. मतलब आई हैव यूज दिस वाइल गोइंग टू कॉलेज, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मेरे लिप्स पे रहता है. मतलब इट्स अ बैंग ऑन प्रोडक्ट. सो इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई दीज, जस्ट go for these are just for 200, and I think definitely worth the money. Now moving on to makeup को उतारने वाला product, I have the best product and the most buzzing sensational micellar water, that is the Bioderma का micellar water. Bioderma
Mars Sensibio H2 micellar water.
ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, ये एक झटके में मेकअप को निकालता है, एक झटके में. यू जस्ट टेक अ लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ माइसेलर वाटर इन अ सर्कल राउंड वाला कॉटन पैड्स में, प्रेस इट ऑन योर आईज for mascara, give it 1 to 5 seconds and just wipe it down. It will just come out. It is so good, so good. This is little bit pricey, but this is absolutely worth it. Garnier is good, but this is the best. Okay, now last but not the least buzzed product on the internet is this Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramel Body Lotion. The amount of people love this, I know the craziness, and I am one of those crazy people because इसका मॉइस्चर लॉक इतना अच्छा रहता है, because I have dry skin all over my body, and दिस इज सो गुड. इसका कंसिस्टेंसी इतना अच्छा है, ये स्मेल इतना अच्छा करता है, एंड फॉर द प्राइस ब्रो, व्हाट एल्स डू यू नीड? Like one of the best things I have purchased, and this is my second bottle, so I don't know how many bottles I'm going to repurchase this. मतलब ये इतना अच्छा है, like इतना अच्छा है, like but if you have like a vanilla body routine, you can just add this up. Like it's so good. So this video comes to an end, and I really hope you loved my real and raw thoughts about all of these products. I have used them thoroughly throughout, so these were my actual reviews, and I'd be really happy if you just take a moment to like and comment if you have tried any of these products, and share with your friends to give them suggestions. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.